Toyota MMT 5-speed transmission, semi-automatic. This not standard situation. I think this fit for all models with 5-speed transmission. Yeah, this is the Yaris 1.3 petrol. And what the problem? The problem, it's no trouble code, the car working, clutch original, brand new, bashing when the bearing moving, excellent, actuator repaired, all fixed, all 100% good. But when I start the car, see, no codes, no. First of all, it's not it's no option help on start. Look at this. I'm release the brake, the RPM go higher, but the car not moving, even it can go back. And when I put the little gas, it jumping like a frog. Look at this. Oh, boom boom. And what is the problem? The TCM, transmission control module. It's old version, all okay, no trouble code, but it's making this problem. Now I will change it and will show you what the difference. I change the TCM. Now I will show you. Look at this. I'm put the E. I'm release the brake, and you will see it will start moving. Oh, you see? And when I put the gas, it's moving smooth, not jumping. And all reason with the TCM. It's same version, but something wrong inside on the hardware. Yeah, and this happens for those models. Not only for Yaris, for all of them with 5-speed transmission.